2 and 1. So in this one, let's see how long it would take us if we had $10,000 and we wanted to have $1 million. Now we will make an assumption. Our assumption is going to be that we are compounding our money at a rate of 12.5%, and it will be semi-annually. So let's take a look at this example. It's a compounding example. I'm going to do it in two ways. I'm going to use a formula once, and then the second one is I'm going to use the business analyst calculator to do a quick calculation. All right. So let's write down all these given pieces of information. So what do we have? We are starting with a present value of $10,000. So that's right there. We want to be able to grow it, to a nice value of 1 million. So that's right there. Now we're going to be compounding, okay? So our money at 12% semi-annually. So 12% is 0.125. Now it's semi-annually, so we're going to divide that by 2 to get our I. And so this, okay, it means that our J, our nominal rate, is just 12.5%. So let's not forget that. And we want to know how long or how many years it would take us. Well, we know that N is equal to the number of years multiplied by M. Now you can rearrange this formula for number of years, which means you can divide by M on both sides, and you're going to get that number of years is equal to N divided by M, and that's what we're going to be needing. So let's try this, right? So I can first use the formula for N. So the formula for N is equal to ln or log of future value over present value divided by ln or log of 1 plus I. And I can substitute all of these in. And let's do that within here and then find out what our answer is. So we have ln, so this is future value is 1 million. So that's a nice amount, 1, 2, 3. And it's going to be divided by, we're starting with 10,000. All right, so that's what we have there on top. Then we're going to divide this by ln. And it's going to be, so this is 1 plus, now it's 0.125 divided by 2, because I is right here. So that's what we have there. And I would just hit equals. So that's going to be 75.96 and so on. Now let's keep in mind that this is the number of terms, and that's semi-annually. So if you want to find how many years, so I'm going to have to do this. So I have to take my answer and then divide it by M, which in this case is 2. So let's round it up. So that means it's approximately 38 years. So, I mean, it takes a bit of time. Now keep in mind, you started with $10,000. All right, so that's the answer. Now, let's take a look and see how we would do this with a business analyst. So here's our business analyst calculator. So first thing that we always do, so we want to kind of clear everything. So second function and see, so clear total value of money. Next thing that we want to do is we want to set our compounding. Now we're compounding semi-annually. So we're going to hit this, okay, and hit that for us. Now notice it says 1 there, so we're not compounding once per year, and we don't have 1 payments per year. Okay, we're semi-annually, so I'm going to hit 2, hit enter, and now notice I'm going to do these arrows because this is payments per year. Now we technically don't have any payments, but this right here, notice it changes our compoundings per year, which is 2. So I'm going to do second function quit, okay, to get out of that, and now I'm going to set all of these so that I can calculate them. So I want to find N. Now so this is I over Y, so this is like your J, your nominal rate. So we have 12.5%. You always keep it as a percent in here. So I'm going to hit that there. Now my present value was 10,000, so that is 10,000. Now we always have to have present value, future value of opposite signs. Now because I'm investing, I'll make this negative because I'm technically, losing money. so that I can forego it and then get some back in the future. So that's my present value. Payments, we didn't make any payments through all of the different years. So our payments were 0. All right, so this is what we have there. And then our future value, we got $1 million, or at least that's what we want. So that's our future value. I'm going to set that there. And now I'm going to hit compute, hit N, and there you have it. Now that was our answer, right? So that we have, so it was 75.96 and so on, and we had to divide it by 2 to get the number of years. And that is it for this example. Thanks for watching.